To add navigation bar in Canva website, let's come over to this plus sign here and we'll go over to websites. Let's just click on website to create a blank page. First, let's give our website a title. From here, we'll go over to templates to just add dummy templates to use to demonstrate this. I'll add this to my page and I will add in another page and also go back to templates and pick another design. This is for demonstration purposes. And I'll add in a section. Let me apply all 5 sections. And I'll go to add another page. And let's find another template. Now, from our website design, you can see that we have 3 pages here. To add navigation bar to your website, you want to click on the page thumbnail here and go to these 3 dots and come here where it says page title. And we want this part to be our home. After adding a title to your first page, you come to your second page and do the same. I've gone ahead to add a title. I just added a short title. Please make your title as short as possible. You go to your third page thumbnail. You click on it and you go to contact us. Now, to see our navigation play out, let's come over to preview here. And you can see from here that was our first page. The home is highlighted. And if we scroll, you can see the home. And if we come to menu here, you can see the menu that we selected. And you can come to contact us here. And you can see the contact us that we chose. This is how to add navigation bar to your website. If you want to turn it off, you can just easily turn it off from here.